Pretending has a price, one we rarely stop to count. It's paid not in dollars, but in pieces of peace. Each time we hide what's real, we trade energy for safety, truth for approval, authenticity for belonging. Today's meditation is a pause, a chance to notice the quiet costs of pretending and to begin restoring what's been spent. Hey everybody, I'm Marybeth Hrim. I'm a mental health therapist, a coach, and someone who helps others connect to themselves, mind, body, and spirit. This space is about reclaiming what's been hidden beneath the roles, the expectations, and the masks we learned to wear. If you find peace in these practices, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can continue exploring weekly meditations that nurture presence, honesty, and emotional restoration. Now go ahead and find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, where your body feels supported, but also present. Let your eyes gently close if that feels safe. If that doesn't feel safe, then just gaze down and begin to arrive. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. With each inhale, imagine you're drawing in truth. With each exhale, release the effort of pretending, the small daily acts of hiding that you no longer need to perform. Let the breath remind you there is nothing you must prove in this moment. You are safe to be exactly as you are. Bring your attention to your body, to where pretending lives. Maybe it's behind the eyes, holding back tears. Maybe in the throat, where truth gets softened. Or across your chest, where you hold the weight of being fine. Notice what happens when you give that place attention. No fixing, just witnessing. What color, texture, or temperature might it hold? Is it tight? Numb? Heavy? Now, breathe into that place. Imagine your breath as a soft light, warm, understanding. Not asking you to change, but to feel. In your mind's eye, imagine a journal open before you. Blank pages waiting. At the top of one page, you write the word pretending. On the facing page, you write the cost. Take a breath. On the first page, begin listening. Silently or loud, the ways you pretend. I act strong when I'm exhausted. I say I'm fine when I'm not. I hold back what I feel to keep peace. Now move to the opposite page and name the costs. Tension in my body, distance in my relationships, fatigue that runs deeper than sleep. Don't rush. Let truth rise at its own pace. Sometimes what we discover is subtle. Sometimes it's startling. Either way, stay kind with yourself. Now, if you have a journal beside you, gently open your eyes and gently open it. Right at the top, what does pretending cost me? Let your pen move without judgment. No need for complete sentences or polished thoughts. Just honesty. If you're not writing, imagine the words forming in your mind, one truth at a time. Feel them release from your body as you name them. Breathe deeply. This is not about shame. It's about clarity. Every truth you see clearly loses power to quietly drain you. Now, close the journal, real or imagined, and place a hand on your heart. Notice what you feel in your body now compared to when you began. Lighter, softer, more awake. Say quietly to yourself, awareness restores energy. Truth restores peace. Breathe in honesty. Breathe out release. If there's grief, let it breathe. If there's relief, let it settle. You are witnessing your own healing. If your eyes are still closed, before you open your eyes, reflect gently. What might you gain by being real? Even a little more than yesterday. Maybe it's more energy. Maybe it's more connection. Maybe it's just more ease in your own skin. Let your breath deepen. Whisper one final time. I am restored by my authenticity. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to feel the room around you. The light, the air, your presence within it. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me today. If this meditation resonated with you, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more reflections and guided practices that help you reconnect to the real you, one breath, one truth, one moment at a time. I'm Marybeth Hrim. Until next time.